Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all of you to my channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, some Vastu remedies, spirituality, some crystal healing tips and some lifestyle tips. So if you all are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. So let's get started and let's move on towards our today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 2 tips that will help you in getting rid of all the problems that is there in your love and romantic life. So if you are single and if you want to attract your true love, your true romantic partner, but there are a lot of problems or blockages coming in your love life, and if you are married or if you are into any kind of relationship, but there are a lot of unnecessary fights, arguments, conflicts, misunderstandings, or miscommunication going on between you and your partner, then this tip will do wonders for you. This remedy will help you in getting rid of all the negativity, all the toxic energies that are creating problems in your love life. So let's see what are these 2 beautiful tips. So starting with the very first tip, all you have to do is you have to take a small jar. You can take a medium size or a large size jar as well, but a normal to medium size jar is fine. You can take a glass jar or you can also take a glass bottle. So just take a glass jar and add some honey into that glass jar. Now why I'm asking you to add honey into that jar? Because the sweetness of this honey will add sweetness to your relationship. It will add sweetness between you and your partner. And this honey will bring a lot of balance, peace and harmony in your relationship. It will stabilize your relationship. That's the reason add some honey into that glass jar. And after adding honey, all you have to do is you have to place a picture of you and your partner. And you have to place a picture where you both are sharing a very close bond, a very special bond. Picture of your togetherness, where there is a physical touch. So just place a small picture of you and your partner into that jar along with honey. But if you are single, you might be wondering that what kind of picture you want to add in your jar. So if you are single, you can take your solo picture and just place that picture into that jar where you have added honey as well. So to place that picture in that jar. Now after adding honey and after placing picture, third thing that you have to keep in the jar is you have to place rose quartz crystal chips. I'll show you how rose quartz crystal chips look like. So just one second. These are rose quartz crystal chips. They are baby pink in color, but it might be looking white in the video. So these are rose quartz crystal chips, and basically rose quartz, it's a love crystal. This is purely a love crystal, and this works on heart chakra. It balances our emotions, our feelings, our mood swings, and this enhances our love and romantic life. If you are single, this will help you in expressing your emotions, your feelings towards the partner you want in your life. And this will help you in attracting new love into your life because this promotes self-love as well. And once you become a magnet of love, you ultimately attract new love into your life. And if you are into a relationship, it will heal all your issues that are there in your love life. Because if there are a lot of problems going on in your love life because of anger related issues, then this rose quartz crystal will help you with such issues as well. This is a very beautiful rose quartz crystal chips. So you can add these rose quartz crystal chips into the glass jar where you have added honey and your picture. So just put these rose quartz crystal chips and just close that bottle, that jar, and place this jar in the southwest direction of your home. If you are married or if you are into a relationship, you have to place that jar in the southwest direction of your home. Now why I'm asking you to place this in southwest direction? Because this sector brings love and romantic luck into our life. And this sector also brings stability. So if you place this jar in the southwest direction, this jar will bring stability in your relationship. It will bring a lot of stability and harmony between you and your partner. But if you are single, you have to place this jar between the north and the northwest direction. Just you can take the compass and just check with the compass the directions of your home. So basically you have to place this in the northwest direction, between the north and the northwest direction, because this sector, the northwest direction, helps in attracting new love into your life. So that's the reason you have to place this in the north-northwest direction. Now comes the next step. What you have to follow is, you have to take bath with rose water every day, or you can take bath with it every Friday as well. You can follow either one of them. Why rose water? Because roses depicts the love, romance, passion, feelings, the emotions, and special bond, a unique bond that should be there between the two partners. They are depicted by roses. That's the reason, take bath with rose water every day. Just add few drops of rose water in the bucket full of water in your bathing water and just take bath with it. Or you can take bath with it every Friday as well. And that will also do wonders in your life, in your love life. So follow these 2 tips and let me know how did you find them in the comment section below. I hope you really liked the video, and I wish you all the very best for your love life. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want in detail reading with respect to some Vastu remedies like this, numerology, or you need some crystal healing tips, or you want tarot reading, or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, then don't forget to contact me on my email ID, or you can also contact me through my Instagram account. You can DM me. The links for the same I have mentioned in my description box below. So thank you so much for watching my video.